Vandeham Sri Guru.
The following is an arrival address given by His Divine Grace, A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada, recorded on the 27th of September 1974 in Mayapur, India.
Sri Rupam Chakrajatam.
श्रीमान जयप्रकाश Maharaj, Bhavananda Maharaj and devotees, I thank you very much for keeping this temple, Mayapur Chandrodaya Mandir, so nicely clean, and it appears everything is going nicely. So it was the desire of Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur that Europeans and Americans should come here and chant Hare Krishna mantra. That prophecy is now being fulfilled, and that is my satisfaction. I tried my little bit to fulfill the desire of Bhaktivinoda Thakur at my old age of 70 years. It was a gambling. I simply thought that this was the desire. Of course, my Guru Maharaj, Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Prabhupada, he also asked me to do this. Anyway, at least there is a place now where these Europeans and Americans may come and live peacefully, chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra and advance in spiritual understanding. People, unfortunately, they have no sense what is spiritual life, the modern civilization. They do not know that we have to change this body as it is stated in the Bhagavad Gita, tatha dehantara prapti. Just like animals, cats and dogs, they do not know that they have to change the body, or they are not the body, they are beyond something. This is the modern civilization. They try to make the best use of a bad bargain in this way. So we have got this body, let us enjoy senses to the utmost. But that is not the fact. Sense enjoyment means infection of the material modes of nature. That is sense enjoyment. Just like we infect some disease, and that disease will come out someday, will be manifested. They are called Kutastha, Phalanamu and Prarabdha, 3 stages. Infection, the same example, infection remains in dormant stage, not manifest immediately. Then Phalanamu, practice 1, and then Prarabdha, one gets it and suffers. This is the nature's way going on. But people do not know it. Therefore our Krishna consciousness movement is very serious movement, scientific movement, and people are gradually trying to understand the importance of this movement because in the foreign countries, especially in America, our books are being accepted by higher circle, big universities, colleges, professors. They are so eager to read the book that they have simply heard that this Bhagavatam will be finished in 60 volumes and Chaitanya Charitamrita will be finished in 12 volumes. We have got Chaitanya Charitamrita only one volume published and they are ordering for 12 volumes. So as soon as it is published, you send us. This is very encouraging. Similarly, they are ordering for 60 volumes of Srimad Bhagavatam, although we have published only 12 volumes. So, by the grace of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, as he wanted, Prithivite Achidato Nagaradi Gram Sarvatra Pracharam Vaivamanda. So, at least the basic principles is being done, and I am very much thankful to you American, European boys and girls who are helping me in this mission. So, go on cooperating in this way, and I am sure this mission of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu will be successful. It must be successful because Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu wanted it to be done. Simply, we the workers, the servitors, must be very sincere. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu will give us more and more facilities so that we can work very well. So keep this mission always in view and do your best. That is my only request. Thank you very much.